Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a recipe of spine gourd or teasel gourd. This is a very delicious recipe. The teasel gourd or spine gourd, in Bengali it's called kakrol, is very good for our health. Now let's see what I have used to cook this delicious recipe. I have used 3 teasel gourd or spine gourd and 2 middle-sized potato. I have cut it in julienne. And now I have used also some shrimp. I have cut it and clean it properly, and one big size of onion, little bit of salt as per taste, and some coriander powder, chili powder and turmeric powder. And also I have used little bit of sugar. Here I have used ginger and garlic paste. I have used also some cumin, 1 teaspoon of cumin, dry chili and green chili. I made, and also I have used here mustard oil. So in this pot I will mix all the ingredients. Pour one by one all the ingredients in this pot. I have made a paste of cumin, green chili and red chili. A little more oil should be used in this cooking. The more oil can be used in it, the tastier it will be. Now mix it very well. Now water should be given in quantity. Now put the pot into the gas oven and then cover it with lid. First I cook the dish into high flame. After few minutes I make the flame low. After few minutes I have to see if the water has dried up. Almost water has dried up, so I will cover it again for few minutes. My dish is done now. Now I will turn off the flame. Now this is the final look of my dish. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment. Must try the recipe once.